Daytona Beach today. Let's get it. Pay this $30. All right, we got the food vendor out here. We were just hunting for stuck vehicles today. A lot of sand, bad sand washed up on the north end. It's real powdery. So we're gonna cruise down there, go check it out. Oh damn, I'm missing one way down there. It looks like a Chevy pulling out a Ram. Dang, just missed it. 2 minutes too late. Dragging him backwards. Got a sea turtle nest. If you're ever out on the beach and you see a marked off, coned off area like that, it's a sea turtle nest right there. Don't mess with them. Damn, that was sand toad too. I could have saved these guys a couple $100, man, if I'd got there sooner. Guys, we do it for free. All these other companies charge. I mean, rightfully so. They do it for a living, but I do it for a living also. But we don't charge. I don't even take a tip unless they're like super persistent and force it on me. Man, it's getting stacked up over here. Tons of people. That's why I like Daytona. It's always busy. It's always lively. The sand is good. You can drive on the beach. The fishing's good. It's a cool place. If you've never been here before, definitely got to get out here at least once. And we got Santo right behind us, and if I didn't know any better, it looks like this Ram is stuck up here. So let's see. I don't want to do the kid dirty. Like, if he got called out for it, I'm not going to take it. But if I find it first, I'm taking it for sure. Oh yeah, they're stuck for sure. They're stuck. Let's see. Let's see if we get it. Well, we got her hooked up, and we got an audience. We got Santo watching. Get out of your way in 2 seconds. Super easy pull, and the lady at the gate was like, "Are you contracted with Santo?" I was like, no, we do this for free. And she's like, "Well, they're contracted." I was like, "Well, it doesn't matter. We're, it's Good Samaritan. We can sit out here all day and do this for free. They can't say nothing." We're actually doing a good deed for the community by not taking advantage of people in vulnerable situations. There you go. Yeah, he's not happy. He's not happy, boy. That's funny. He just drove by me and like romped on the gas. Yeah, that's all good. Yeah, I'm not trying to step on his toes, but yeah. No, that's the thing. They can't ever do that because it's a Good Samaritan Act.
Whatever. Have a good day.
Oh, that's rude. See, that's like a freaking monopoly down here. The city would rather charge people instead of letting Good Samaritans help out, like it's frowned upon if you're gonna go help somebody and do it for free. It's ridiculous. That's the problem with Florida beaches, man. They're too freaking regulated. Daytona's not as bad as St. Augustine. St. Augustine is like that place. There's cops patrolling one way. You can only park on one side. They'd probably yell at you if you walk the wrong way down that beach. I am gonna stop and air down. We got these little Rhino tire deflators, and you just preset it. It's got little numbers on there, kind of hard to see. I don't know if it'll zoom in, but yeah, you can set it from like 10 to 20 or 30 PSI and screw them all on. Takes just a minute or two to air down. All right, you just screw them on. They're set to 15. And you pop this little thing right here, just pull that up, and then that'll auto shut off when it hits 15 PSI. We have this Stinger head unit. It's pretty dirty right now, but I sit here and monitor all my gauges, and I can tell a difference between my oil and trans temp when I'm aired down. It'll run a couple degrees lower than when I'm aired up, street pressure on it. Now, this is as far north as you can drive on Daytona Beach. This is the last entrance or exit. It's Grenada Boulevard. Technically, it's Ormond Beach right here. And this is where it's real bad. I mean, it's just like a couple miles that just chewed up. All right, aired down. I think I went down to about 14, 15. Let's see. 14, 16, 14, 19. I did take that one off a little early. I don't think it was reading right. I thought my gauge was messed up because I just got stuck at 27 for like 5 minutes. But yeah, I'm seeing a 10-degree difference between airing down and being aired up at street pressure. Going from like 30 psi to 15 psi drops my oil temp, trans temp, coolant temp definitely the most. That's probably a 15-degree. Usually it runs around like 219. It's at 204 right now. Guys, and I just realized I'm in two-wheel drive. I'm in two-wheel drive and I'm still just plowing through this stuff, no problem. No problem. Now that's a work truck right there, dude. That thing looks sick. I see a car, looks like it's parked right in the middle down there. That's never a good sign if you're just kind of parked right in the middle of the traffic lane. Usually means you're stuck. Bogging down. Turn off your traction control.
My what?
You got a little button in there. It looks like the car's doing a burnout. Yeah, traction control, TCS, or whatever it says. Does it say off?
Yeah, it's off.
Try and back out.
Can I put it sport?
Sure, it doesn't matter. Go, 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 go. Don't let off. Keep going. Don't stop. Keep going.
It stopped already.
Keep going. No, you're stopping. You got to stay.
It stopped already. It's not me.
That's not you. Then your traction control is on. Does it say off?
Okay,
Now try. Go, go, go. Don't stop. Less gas. Less gas. Don't stop, but just a little less gas. Keep going. You had it, but try not to floor it. A little more. A little more. There you go. Right there. Just hold that. Keep going. Keep going. You're making it. You're almost there. Go forward again just a little bit. Same thing. You just got to wiggle your way out. Yeah, go just a couple feet. All right, right there. Same thing. Go fast backwards. You got it. See, and that's the difference between me and some of these other companies and these other places, right? They would have just hooked up, charged them $150, and they wouldn't have learned anything. You know, they'd have just been out $150, $200. I've seen up to $400 for stuff just like that. You want me to pull it? You want me to pull it?
Please.
Yeah, no problem. You have a hitch on the back?
That's it.
Okay. All right, we got one. He's barely in there, just a little bit, but he's right close to the exit, so we're gonna pull him over there. If you guys watch any of my videos, you probably know that I always try and educate people and teach them how to get themselves out versus me just hooking up and pulling it out. You don't really learn anything that way. So we have them try and wiggle it out, turn traction control off, maybe air down. Like, there's a few things you could try. And then if all else fails, then we'll hook up to it. Or if they're just stuck right off the rip and they're not getting out, we'll hook right up to those. But we always try and teach people, and I feel like a lot of companies, these tow companies, they won't always do that. They're like, easy money. That's $150 right there. I'm not saying anybody specific, but yeah, it definitely happens. And then a lot of them charge up to like $300 and $400. I've seen some pretty high numbers for easy recoveries. And I'm definitely not pointing fingers at Santo, because I've seen a ton of their videos where they just, hey, dude, this is how you go in 4-wheel drive, or, you know, do the same thing, turn traction control off. So definitely not those guys, but I have seen many other companies try and charge $1,500 for a recovery that took me 2 minutes. I think the highest price I've ever seen for a recovery was $6,500. And I got a whole video from like maybe 2 or 3 years ago. There's that. Dude, that's too cool, man. You take that and put the wrecker back end on it, that's my dream build. If I ever get this YouTube money, I'm building something like that with a wrecker back end so I can pick up the front end of vehicles. Dude, look at this Humvee up here. That is sick. That's a good looking rig right there, dude. With the Mickeys on it. Ugh. Guys, I've been driving for what feels like an hour, and I think that's the pier down there. I'm tripping. I don't know. Way down. Daytona Beach is much longer than I remember. I mean, it's a solid 45 minutes to an hour of just driving the beach north and south all the way up to Ormond. I'm not sure what it turns into down here, like South Daytona.
See about the 3 of us trying to push you out, maybe?
I'll get both of you guys. We don't charge. We do it for free.
Huh?
We do it for free.
Oh my God, that's amazing.
Well, we got a 2 for right place, right time for this one. Both stuck. I'm just gonna drag them both back here and get out that way. All right, try going up. Hold on. Try going forward. Just a little bit. A little more, a little more. All right, right there. Then go back a little bit faster. All right, right there. Then go forward a little bit. Same thing, work your way out. Well, I even jumped in that dang thing and tried to get it out myself. And, you know, I almost had it, but I could tell it was gonna be hot if I kept doing it over and over, reversing forward. So I opted just to pull it. Super easy. Looks like it's storms coming in down here. I keep seeing lightning. It looks like there's like a wall of rain coming down the beach. But we're gonna follow this guy out, make sure he makes it to the next ramp. Yeah, that storm's coming. Look at that big shelf cloud. It's pretty wild. Well, we got the storm coming behind me. I'm gonna try and make it down to the south end, and I still gotta air up, so I'll make one last pass and get down to the end. Hopefully I can get all the tires aired up before it starts dumping. If not, I'm gonna go to the gas station and do it under the awning. But might find another 1 or 2, save somebody's butt down here. The lightning and thunder is coming in. You can hear it rumbling. I'm still trying to get down here and air up. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. All right, forward again. Problem is you're going up a freaking hill, so it makes it tough. There you go, there you go, there you go, there you go. Oh, nope. There it is. Got everybody up on the balconies. Good job, guys, good job. It's popping off out here.